everyone. Welcome to Level Up IAS. Myself Tejal Khandelwal. So now that prelims is over, it is the right time not to worry about the speculation of cutoffs and firstly evaluate your limitations and strengths that you faced during the examination. I am sure that after the examination, you would have realized that how important it is to practice real time, because many students found the paper too lengthy and others completed it way before time as well. So this difference among students come with practice. Now, coming back to the political science and international relations strategy that you should be following for the upcoming mains, let's move on to the key discussion. A key question that I want to raise is that why do we need to practice before any exam, race or competition? It is because that we come to know how do we perform in real-time situation and how our mind works in the examination hall, because it is the same person prior to the examination that will go and write the examination. So practice is something which leads to progressive improvement, and hence it is very, very important that irrespective of the amount of content you have in your mind or the amount of knowledge you have gained prior to the preliminary, that you practice mains like questions and answer in a stimulated environment so that you are able to practice and look at the entire way that your functioning happens during the examination. So, like the prelims has rules, like any games has rules, the mains exam also has a lot of rules that students need to follow for good results. The first and most important aspect of this rule is that you need to have a continuous and repeated revision of the syllabus. That is because once everything has been revised timely, it will become very easy for you to recall things in those 3 hours. If you have not revised, you will take longer time first to recall and then apply that knowledge. Second important rule for the mains is that you not only gain knowledge, but you implement the knowledge rightly. What do you mean that we have to implement the knowledge rightly? So that we need to focus on first flow of the answer, okay? And this flow comes when you have interpreted the demand of the question rightly. All right. Then we also need to do rigorous answer writing practice so that all the errors that we are doing are done prior to the final examination, then going and doing those mistakes and learning for the next year, if we want to become an all India rank in this very year. Next is that you have to do timely improvement after every test. So it is not only about attempting the test, okay, it is also about improvement. Now there is a key gap here. So many students write a lot of tests but they do not improve. Why? Because they don't know what are they writing and what the exact demand of the question is. So in this particular aspect, a very important role is played by the feedback mechanism you have with respect to your answer writing skills. And here is that teachers play a very key role, because we understand the pattern in your answer sheet. When you are attempting a set of 19 questions on a continuous manner, all your errors, all your gaps, lack of content, lack of knowledge, lack of application is revealed. And only after this is done that you will be very nicely able to analyze what you are doing wrong and apply it correctly. So it is very, very important that you improve after every test. For that, you will need timely feedback, qualitative feedback, and very grilling sessions with your teachers. Next important rule is that we know that UPSC civil services examinations, specifically mains or be it prelims or interview, since it is a very competitive exam, we will have to create an edge, okay, a USP and something unique and innovative and original about the way we write our answers than our peers. So in this regard, you will have to ensure that in every aspect of the syllabus, you will have to understand the essence of that particular topic, and you will have to know what should be the key value addition you will make. Now, the key value addition will also not be uniform. It will be very different for different themes, and it will be very different for all the 4 sections, which are different from one another and also same in some ways. All right. So these key rules you must follow when you are preparing. So since practice is understood very well by serious candidates, but they always are in a mode of confusion. So let's just highlight here what are the key problems in the way crash course and test series are conducted, and what is it that at Level Up IAS is unique about how we train you than the others. So the first key problem is that test is not evaluated timely. Now, what do you mean by timely evaluation? Timely evaluation does not mean 7 days or 15 days exactly. It means that before you write or your second test is scheduled, you should have the copy of your first test so that you can make the key changes, you can learn from the earlier test and apply the changes, the recommendations, the suggestions in the next test. In this regard, we have created a 7 days mechanism after you attempt every test. Okay. So once you attempt the test, in the next 7 days, you will surely get the feedback, mentoring sessions, and your copy so that you are able to implement the changes in the next test. Second thing is that there is a mass pedagogy practice that happens here. So teacher is not able to sit with you for every answer to understand your pattern. It is largely the mentors who do the same. So this has some loopholes because the experience of the teacher will certainly vary from the mentors, and teachers do not have time not only to check the test, but they don't even have the time to review the test because there is a mass number which is involved in writing the test. So you must ensure that you get one-to-one guidance from whoever you are taking guidance. It's very, very important so that that person actually understands you, and before the prelims is before the mains is able to give you key tips subjective to your answer writing pattern. Okay. And yes, because it is a mass pedagogy practice, there is no discipline that is maintained by the student because teachers don't grill them, teachers don't keep a key check because there is a huge number. So we ensure that we grill you after every test, take your attendance, look at how you are attempting, and encourage and motivate you all the time to write timely. So let's see what are the course objectives. So it is firstly that you are able to revise. We have kept a 15-day gap in every test so that you are able to revise the entire syllabus of that particular test in a comprehensive manner, prepare yourself and then write the test. So once you do a key revision, then automatically over a period of time, those things will become very, very easy. very important, more than gaining knowledge from the prelims to the main times, is how you develop your answer writing skills. And this is specifically for those students who have not practiced prior. So it is very, very important that however is the question, whether it is anticipated, whether it is unanticipated, whether you have done that part of the syllabus, if you have the right answer writing skills, you will interpret and make an average attempt in that particular question so that you are at least at the competitive level. So yes, our feedback and evaluation and mentoring session are very, very effective, which will help you to develop the right approach to the answer writing skills. We have a very interdisciplinary approach, which means we are not only dealing things in silos, we are able to integrate section A with section B, section A with paper 2. So there is a key interlinkage that we are developing amongst all parts of the syllabus, and everything that we are also reading, analyzing in the current affairs. So there will be a key linkage which will act like a very important value addition in this regard. Then obviously, because of the analysis that we have made with respect to the past year question, which is a Bible for us, we are able to anticipate what will be the new themes. We know that even in paper 1 and even in paper 2, questions are not only coming from the same themes, but different questions are coming from the same themes. So you will have to study the concepts in a greater depth. You will also have to study the new concepts. So via the test series, we will also provide you key knowledge that will be more and unanticipated questions that you have not seen until now. This will prepare you for every challenge that will come on the exam day. So yes, we will be providing value addition so that we don't have a monotonous approach of approaching the examination. So we will make those changes in every theme as well as every aspect. Okay. And yes, there will be a comprehensive revision of the main syllabus by covering even the micro issues that you miss out. Now let's see what are the deliverables in this particular crash course integrated with test series. So we have 4 comprehensive tests and 4 sectional tests for every part of the syllabus. We will have 20 classes for international relations because here students face a lot of challenge, and this will also help you in the general studies paper 2, and it will also help you in ethics. It will also help you develop an approach to essay, because even in essay IR has been asked. So there is a key focus from the basic level to the most advanced level of international relations, and this will ease out your process for paper 2. We are providing detailed model answers and also value addition with model answers so that you are able to cover the theme in a very comprehensive manner. So there will be live test discussions and online test discussions for those who want to attend online. I would encourage that all students who are preparing from Delhi should come and attend these sessions offline so that they can have direct interaction with me and can take feedback on a regular basis. After every test that you write and once it is evaluated, we will allot you a time, and you can take a time and come and have a mentoring session with me on your entire paper. So we will structurally provide you a suggestion that how you should improve on how you are attempting the entire paper, and also on micro aspects of your answer writing. We also have a multi-level evaluation on various parameters, that too within 7 days period. Also, we have made the submission of the test flexible because there will be students who are in their 2nd, 3rd, 4th mains. So they feel that certain portions of the syllabus, they are very thorough. First, they want to work on the weak areas. That is why we have provided flexible submission of the test. So this is about the features of the test series program and how you should strategize yourself in the strategize yourself in the coming time. Have faith. I'm sure all of you will do well if you follow these basic tips. Come and visit us. Thank you so much. All the further details are available on the Level Up IAS website. Thank you so much.